Going, but I got my headphones on.
This is the old, how do we start this business again? Hey guys, it's the end of May.
Is it?
It's the end of, it's gonna be May.
No, you do it at the start of May.
Yeah, true. It's the end of May. Thought we'd check in and give you a bit of recap on what we got up to and what's coming next. Because it was kind of a big month. What did we do, Jono? Do you remember?
We shot so many things, and then we had so many plans, and then we changed them all, and then we did other things instead.
Okay, good chat.
Yeah.
So we started with the home office makeover, which you guys absolutely loved, and we love as
We've
well.
been spending a lot of time in it.
We
in there a lot.
absolutely have.
Hello! Look at me typing on my big chunky keyboard.
In partnership with Suncorp actually, who were awesome.
Because that's the Suncorp spirit.
And they asked us to put together a few fun videos to kind of inspire you guys for working at home. We had a lot of fun making the daily routine video.
Yeah, like a day in the life that took 3 days to shoot. 1 day in the life of Lucy takes 3 days to prep.
Isn't that right, Jono?
It was kind of hard and
It's very different to a lot of the other videos we've done before.
It
Bit
was
of fun
really
to
fun.
make in ISO.
And we got to play around with different ideas and different, you know, I think you did a great job shooting and it was just a very different thing to put together. So you guys really loved it. So thank you so much for all of your comments. We got some good bloopers too as well that we didn't get to put in the first one. So maybe we should pop them in here. I can't Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Double shot, I'm the good stuff, give me a double shot. Plus I get the office to myself.
Let's do it again.
Are we gonna play like that, are we? Do you want me to try it again?
Up to you. I'm getting really hot. It's getting really steamy.
Yeah, it's getting hot and steamy.
No.
This is my brain and Storm, the ideas going splattering into a million pieces across the office. I was calling you for a bit, we were filming it and then you didn't answer and I was saying how you always like to hear from me and then I called you and then you just didn't answer. I was just trying to prove to everyone that you loved me and you let me down.
I just picked it up and it hung up.
So you do love me
I do love you.
and you always like to hear from me, don't you?
Yes.
Oh, that's great to hear. I love you too. Okay, bye.
Why were plans changed in May?
Well, because of Corona.
And another big project. We had another big project.
Oh, I made a TV show.
Oh. So plans changed because we shot a TV show. Lucy hosted a TV show.
Yes.
Which you can see now.
Right now.
Airing now. It's only
Yeah.
3 eps in, 4 eps in maybe. No, 3 eps in before this goes out.
Yep. Saturday, 6 p.m. on 7/2. So yeah, the show is called Make It Yours. It's brought to you by Bunnings and they asked me to be the host of the show. And yeah, like we were meant to be doing a lot more renovations last month, but ended up shooting a TV show as well. So we kind of have slowed down a little bit on the renos, but we're picking them back up again. It was a lot of fun to do. It's a show all about home renovation and all about DIY. So it's heaps of fun. Every single episode we reveal a new room makeover. And yeah, there's some great people involved and it's a lot of fun. So if you are in Australia, Saturday 6 p.m. on 7/2. And if you're not in Australia, it is ending up on the Bunnings website online, so you can watch that afterwards as well. That was fun. So I was getting up really early, getting my makeup done for that.
These are just the links I go to look good in the morning for you, Jono.
Not for me.
Well, pretty. Ready for my close-up. Thanks for my toast.
This is pretty close up.
Yeah, so that was really fun. In terms of what we've done with the makeovers, which you haven't seen yet, we finished the green room.
We finally finished the green room and it looks awesome.
It looks so,
It's actually
so
a functional
good.
and usable room now, which is awesome.
We made something out of nothing, didn't we?
did.
It's probably got the most epic gallery wall I've ever created. What I want to do is to create a nice kind of feature corner gallery wall. It's going to be busy, it's going to be creative, it's going to be fun, it's going to be colourful. Do you remember how many pieces are up there?
26.
21.
Ah. You got 5 more.
No. I started with
more.
like 5 and then it ended up with 21. So anyway, there's a really awesome gallery wall which we had a lot of fun with. Yeah, so we can't wait to show you that. That is coming soon. But very exciting. What is coming next week is a new Let Us In. Say it with me.
Let us in.
You don't have that gritty?
No, because I'm behind the camera. I've got to be quiet for these ones.
That's true. But this Let Us In is so incredible. It's called the Uber Shed 2 by Just Architects, and it is like pimping.
It's a mega shed.
It is.
It's pretty fun.
How do you even? You can't even. Bit of a teaser? Do a bit of a teaser.
Maybe.
Welcome to the Uber Shed 2.
So that's the Uber shed.
Yay.
When's that coming out?
Next week.
Next week.
Yeah.
All right.
And you know what? We spoke to the owner of that shed, and I love chatting with the owners of properties or the architects or anyone involved just within that space, but the owners especially. How nice is it to actually speak to the people that live there? So
Good to get their point of view
Yeah.
on what they like about it, why they did certain things, and in this case, where all that stuff came from.
Oh my God. I
Stuff in
basically
this
said to
place.
Jono, like owner was talking and I was like, you need to get your camera and you need to start filming like now. It's great. I think sometimes I try and do my best to convey the stories of, the homeowners on my own. But this guy, Joe, he had his own.
Got his own story.
He's got so many stories. And so we've got more Let Us In home tours coming your way, which we are so excited about. And we've got a newfound enthusiasm for shooting homes now, especially because we've been stuck in our own home for so long.
So get out of our own home and explore some other homes.
But then after that, we've got the green room makeover to show you. We've got the guest bedroom makeover, which we haven't started yet, but we know what we're doing. Master bedroom, ensuite, and the dining room. 5 new room makeovers.
lot of rooms.
Yeah, and then the interiors of our home are done.
Gotta go back to Bunnings and hire a sander again. I gotta keep
yeah.
sanding these
Yeah.
floors.
Comments?
Sure.
Oh, I've got the comment of the month.
Who's the comment on the
Okay, hang on. This is from Peace Rats. Hi, my name is Livia. I'm 10 years old and I'm posting from my dad's account. Oh my God, my heart's already like beating. I absolutely love your videos and so does my dad. I think you're awesome and very funny and I wish you the best of luck. Keep those videos coming. All the best, your 10-year-old friend, Livia. She loves our cool house. And if you can please mention me in one of your videos, but don't if you can't. She loves season 1, episode 21. Oh, it's the Kip and Co. It's Alex's house in St Kilda.
The Colour Crush
Oh,
house.
Olivia, that's an awesome house. Oh my gosh, yay. And she personally would put her Vegemite in the pantry. And just in case we didn't know how to pronounce her name, it is Livia. Best comment ever, hands down. Did you like it because I ate the chocolate out of the pantry? Maybe.
Some people in the comments didn't like that. Some people don't think that we've got permission to go through people's pantries and steal bottles of wine and stuff.
Amanda Larson says, would be fun to see a patio makeover. Amanda, probably gonna get there.
Once we're finished inside, we'll move outside.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do? Barbie area? Patio area?
Well, there's front and then there's back. So, Lynette Vidal would love to know how we sit down and plan out the layout of your renovations. That is a good idea and we should show more of that. We didn't
Generally
actually do that on the back of the green room.
But generally that's a process over about 4 to 6 weeks of going, let's do this. And then we change our mind and go, let's do this. And then we do
Yes.
this. And then sometimes we just start and work it out as we go.
Yes.
But maybe we should document that
The
process.
green room was very loosey-goosey, wasn't it? It was very organic and it just kind of evolved. But we are doing a lot of planning at the moment for our ensuite especially and master bedroom because we're doing some structural changes. So Lynette,
A little bit of a reconfiguration.
we will
of the
definitely
space.
share that with you. Alex Thomas.
What else have you got?
Love your content. My new favorite DIY home reno channel. Thanks, Alex. My home office is currently an office / studio / dressing room / my little sausage dog's bedroom / junk room. Really need to get onto that. Thanks for the inspo. That's from EJ. That's obviously about the home office makeover. Taylor B. Duncan says, your makeovers are my favorite. I've watched on YouTube because they've become so much more refined and aesthetically pleasing in the reveal, but you still keep so much of the character and personal touch as from the before, which makes them more relatable in the end. KL wants to know, what did we do on our floors? What paint and varnish did we use?
Well, they're Baltic pine original floorboards,
Yep.
probably 100 years old.
Yep.
And they just sanded back with...
Feast Watson Liming White floor finish, 3 coats. A-Bird from Oz congratulated us on our 50,000 subs, which was very exciting. Get us to 60. Get us to 60. Isabel Gautier wants to know, I don't know if I pronounced your name right, wants to know where my jeans were from in the reveal of the home office, those white pant pants. Assembly label.
No idea.
Good old faithful.
Here's one. The shoes. Oh my god. She should take it off. She's so disrespectful to the owner of the house.
My shoes. Which
Take your
we-
shoes off. It's alright. We get permission from the homeowners to go in.
People are asking me to not touch people's walls. Again, I'm really struggling with that. Phil Edwards, hey guys, can you let me know where you got the foam wall boards from in Australia?
So many people have asked us for them.
So many.
They're a funny one. They're in Bunnings and they're in the timber section.
They're called acoustic foam boards.
Yeah.
We also did a video which is a little bit different to us. We spoke with Tom Ambrose from Furno Distillery and he showed us all how to drink whiskey like a pro, which was a very different video for us. And a lot of you kind of picked up on that and thought it was a bit fun. And Mark even commented saying, looks like I picked a bad week to stop drinking. So
The World Whiskey Day.
apologies for that one.
Carrie and Jay in all caps. Finally, an Australian DIY video. Love, love, love.
It actually says video.
It does say video. Where do I get a duplicate of this tiny home? Plenty of people are super inspired by the tiny cabins and tiny homes.
Yeah, I know.
Everyone wants to build them. The A-frame one and the one at Bruny Island. Is it Jenna Marble's sister? Ooh.
Who's Jenna Marble?
Isn't she a YouTuber or something? You're getting a lot of... She
Lookalike.
looks like this. Jenna Marble's an American YouTuber.
Oh, she's very cool. Well, last time people told me I looked like Kurt Cobain, and now apparently I look like Kate Middleton. She's very poised. I quite like that one.
You're getting a lot of internationals. It's pretty cool. Reaching
Yeah.
a much wider audience.
Well, speaking of which though, Harmony Joy says, to all my fellow Americans who think an Australian accent sounds funny, just hush. In Australia, you sound funny. Do you know what? We all sound funny, but I love that. This is from Leah Robertson. So sad you guys had to postpone your travel plans. Look forward to seeing more awesome videos. But yes, Australia's actually been doing pretty good on the health front. So things are kind of becoming a little bit more open and we will be doing a bit more travel soon. So that's very exciting.
As soon as we can, we will.
Yay! Thanks to Prosperitas for sending me some wine. That was really nice. I'm not an official wine
Have you got any left?
critique. Well, that just shows you how much I enjoyed it. I've only got one bottle left. Thank you. And if you want to send us anything, wine or gin
Or home-related stuff.
or home related stuff. Thank you so much for all of your comments, guys. We really do appreciate reading them. Thank you for liking and thank you very much for subscribing, especially. We have really loved growing our YouTube community. So
Been growing really well.
yeah, thank you
loving
so
it.
much. And make sure you follow us on Instagram as well. And if you want any more inspo, make sure you check out our website because we've got amazing homes that go up there, amazing interviews with stylists and designers and architects. So if you want any more inspo for your home, make sure
New
you check
content
that out.
every single day on
Every
there.
single day.
Plenty of it.
Yeah, I think we're done. Are we done?
Like this video, subscribe, hit our website. Bye.
Now we're done.